Are you managing a busy team and struggling to keep up with appointment scheduling? What if I told you there's a way to automate the entire process, saving time and ensuring every appointment is assigned smoothly? Stick around, because today I'm showing you how to set up automated appointment scheduling for your team using GoHighLevel. In the left-hand menu, click on Calendars. Click the Create New Calendar button. You can create individual calendars for each team member or a shared calendar for the team. Select Round Robin to distribute appointments evenly among team members, or set it to assign based on availability. Set the calendar name, availability, and slot duration. Then click on Advanced Settings. Define the availability of your team members. You can set this by selecting the days and times team members are available for appointments. Adjust buffer times between appointments and maximum appointments per day to ensure optimal scheduling. Set the duration for each appointment type, e.g., 30 minutes, 1 hour. Go to the Automation section and create workflows for confirmation emails or SMS messages when an appointment is booked. Set up reminder messages to go out before the scheduled appointment, ensuring clients are prepared and team members are informed. Enable clients to cancel or reschedule appointments. This can be done by including a link in the confirmation email SMS, giving clients the flexibility to manage their bookings. Before going live, test the appointment scheduling process. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can automate the appointment scheduling process for your team in GoHighLevel, saving time and improving efficiency. Ready to streamline your team's workflow and save time on scheduling? Try GoHighLevel's 30-day free trial, and don't forget to book your kickoff call for a smooth setup. The links are in the description below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and give it a thumbs up for more GoHighLevel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.